Yeah, I know. You want the silver box. You don't get the silver box. You get yogurt. Can we clean you a little bit? Sort of everywhere, huh? I know. Give me my spoon back. It's so good eating. It's a good job. I know. Hit the camera. Good job, Sugar Plum. We like our raspberry yogurt. It's good stuff. You say bye-bye to Mimi and Poppy? Say bye-bye? No, I'm eating my yogurt. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.